How to fix a scroll effect that appears too late in Wix Studio. So in order to fix it, what we can do is we can just head over and then click onto that particular element. From in there, click onto this open inspector icon and then just click onto this animations and effect option. Click onto the scroll option and then add in here an animation for that. So for example, for this, let's choose in here a parallax effect. So once you click on that, just wait for this to actually be blue and then just click onto this adjust animation and you can see this. So you can see in here the red, this indicates the actual animation area based on that. So for this, you can change the speed of your parallax and then just choosing here which one and then also adjust the animation area. Once you have done that, you can scroll to preview in order to see what it will look like once it's been applied. So that's how you fix a scroll effect that appears too late in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.